Hello.
So you're thinking about retiring to Mexico. The food, the sunshine, the freedom. It sounds like paradise. But what does it really take to make that leap? Let's walk through it, step by step. Let's start with the most important question. Why are you doing this? Is it the cost of living? A change of pace? Or a new beginning? Your why is your anchor. You'll need it later. You know, not all of Mexico is the same. Visit different cities. Stay a while and ask yourself, do I feel like I could live here? Am I inspired here? The right place feels right. Yes, Mexico is cheaper, but it's not free. Budget for rent, utilities, groceries, and health insurance, and leave a cushion. Life has a way of surprising you. You'll need a temporary resident visa. Apply through a consulate in the U.S. Be ready to show income or savings. It's doable, but don't wing it. Get help if you need it. And here's what no one tells you. You're gonna miss birthdays. You'll feel lost at times. It's part of the process. But if you can sit with them, something beautiful happens. You'll slow down, eat better, sleep deeper, and live with less. You'll start to notice life again and realize this isn't just retirement. This is a rebirth. Moving to Mexico won't solve everything, but it might give you a space to remember who you are. So if you're ready, take the first step. We'll see you there.